All right, I thought I'd just give you another quick walk around of my 1986 Camaro Drag Car. I haven't done a walk around video on this for a few years, and not since I first bought the car, and I really didn't know a whole lot about it. And I've had a bunch of people ask questions about the car, you know, at that point in time, and I was like, oh my god, I need to just make a new walk around video, because it's a completely different car than what it was years ago when I made the other videos. So anyways, this is a 1986 Camaro Berlinetta. It's had a facelift to look like an IROC. And it's got a 383 stroker motor in it on E85. It's got a Herbert's cam 644 lift. It's got Pro Max aluminum heads that have been ported and polished a bunch. It's like a 600 horsepower car. It's 12.1 to 1 compression. It's got a vacuum pump on it. It's got an electric vacuum pump to run the brakes. It's got an S10 manual steering gearbox in it. Big monster headers. It's got a Hughes Performance Turbo 400 transmission with a reverse manual valve body, 5,000 RPM stall converter, trans brake. It's got a B&M Ratchet shifter in it. 8-point cage. It's got a Currie 9-inch rear end in it, 486 rear gear with full spool. Fuel cell in the back. It's got a quick fuel pump. All SPOHN rear suspension, Koni adjustable shocks all the way around. Let's see here, I'll turn this over to Jeff. Jeff, you want to run this thing? I'll fire it up. It's got a quick fuel, E85, 850 double pumper carb. It builds power to about 7,400 RPMs. With the 46 gear, I'm running through the 8th mile at about 6,800 or so RPMs. And the quickest time so far, I've only got about, I think, 4 nights on this engine. So there's like 15 or 20 passes on it maybe. But it's ran a best of 659 at 103 in the 8th. So that converts to like a 1040-ish or so quarter mile. But I haven't had it on a quarter mile track yet. My local track's 8th mile, and I run IHRA points over there. And it's just been a super, hi Penny. It's just been a super consistent little bracket car. The thing launches great, goes straight. Last year I was leading points pretty much half the season until I had a 5-point points lead going into the very last points race of the year. And I got knocked out 3rd round, and the guy that was in 2nd place went on to win that night. So lost the points championship on the very last night of racing, but I guess that's how it goes. There's a hood, a fiberglass hood. So anyways, there you have it. That is Dr. Feelgood. Later.